How to find square root of 576 by long division method? First, make pair. This is your first pair, this is your second pair. Now, to make pair, look, you have to consider from right to left for whole number. Okay, so in second pair you have just only one digit. Now you have to place a number whose square will be equal to 5 or near to 5. If you place here 3, then 3 square will be 9, which is greater than 5, so it is not acceptable. If you place here 2, then 2 square equal to 4, which is near to 5. So if you place here 2, these 2 must come to the quotient also. 2 times 2, 4. Subtract 1. You have placed the digit 4 in the quotient, so same digit will come under the divisor. Now add 4. Now you have to consider here a number, and you need to multiply this number by this. And look here, by this, and result will be equal to this new divisor. 5 minus 4, 1. Bring down the next pair, 76. So if you place a number, that number must come here, and if you multiply, and the result will be equal to this or nearest to this. So if you consider here 4, the 4 will come here and also here. Okay, 4 times 4, 16. 6, carry 1 to the next column. 4 times 4, 16 plus 1, 17. 176, which is equal. So if you place here 4, okay, this 4 must come here. 4 times 44, 4 times 44, 176. Subtract 0. As our remainder is 0, we are done. To check the answer, look, you have placed here 4. This 4 must come under the divisor and add 4 plus 4, 8, then 4, 48. Look, 48 is the double of this quotient, so our answer is correct, 24. So the square root of 576 by long division method is 24.